Here we are discussing a C program that reads employee details, sorts them based on their salary in ascending order, and then displays the sorted details. This program demonstrates the use of structures, arrays, and sorting in C. Let's start by understanding each part of the code. Hash include stdio.h. We include the standard input-output library to use functions like printf and scanf for printing to the console and reading user input. We define a structure named employee that holds the details of an employee. The structure contains name, a character array of size 30 to store the employee's name, ID an integer to store the employee's ID, salary a float to store the employee's salary. Read function is used to read the details of the employees. Sort function is used to sort the employees based on their salary. Display function is used to display the sorted details of the employees. The main function is void main. In the main function, we prompt the user to enter the number of employees. We call the read function to input the details of the employees. We call the sort function to sort the employee details based on their salary in ascending order. We call the display function to print the sorted details. In order to read the employee details, we use a loop to iterate from 0 to m-1. For each iteration, we prompt the user to enter the employee's name, ID, and salary. We read these values using scanf and store them in the respective fields of the structure array em of I. Sorting employee details using the loop, using a nested loop. We use a nested loop to implement the bubble sort algorithm. The outer loop runs from 1 to m-1. The inner loop compares each pair of adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. If the current employee salary is greater than the next employee salary. In order to display employee details, we use display function. In the display function, we use a loop to iterate from 0 to m-1. For each iteration, we print the employee's details using printf. Percentage S prints the employee's name from em of I to name. Percentage D prints the employee ID from em of I dot ID. Percentage point to F prints the salary from em of I dot salary with 2 decimal places for better readability. When we run the program, the output will be asking us to enter the number of employees whose detail has to be entered. I had given here the input as 3. Then it is asking for 3 employees details. First, I had given the name Sam as the name of the employee and the employee ID as 2345 and the salary of employee as 1 lakh rupees. And I had also given the other 2 examples. And the output